How to make a bridal bouquet with artificial flowers. Make a bridal bouquet with artificial flowers to cut wedding expenses and to have a keepsake from your special day. High-quality, synthetic flowers are available in endless varieties and can be assembled into beautiful arrangements. Steps. 1. Think about what size and shape you would like your bouquet and how you want it to look. Decide on the color palette you want and purchase artificial flowers that match their natural counterparts, which will create a more realistic-looking arrangement. Choose a bouquet holder carefully, since this will be the foundation for your handmade wedding bouquet. 2. Place floral foam down inside your bouquet holder, if it does not already come in the base of the holder. Trim a sheet or block of foam with a razor knife to fit inside any bouquet holder. 3. Start with the largest or main flower or flowers and place in the middle of the bouquet holder. Insert the stem of the flower into the floral foam. Pin flowers that do not have stems into the foam. Place greenery or accents around the focal flowers. Continue adding other flowers around the main ones in the pattern of your choice, sticking in or pinning greenery or accents around them. 4. Trim the stems that you will use around the outside of the bouquet about 1 inch, 25 centimeters, before inserting into the foam to create a layered effect. Fill in all bare spots and go all the way to the edge of the bouquet holder with the artificial flowers and accents for a full look. 5. Start at the bottom of your bouquet holder and hot glue the end of a ribbon about 1 inch, 25 centimeters, from the bottom of the holder and let dry. Wrap the rest of the ribbon up the entire length of the holder and hot glue the top ribbon in place. Trim off any extra ribbon. 6. Take another piece of ribbon and wrap around the perimeter of the bouquet holder, leaving several inches of excess ribbon. Place a few drops of glue underneath the ribbon and secure firmly around the holder so that there are no creases. Tie the remaining ribbon tightly into a bow, leaving some excess ribbon flowing down the holder. 7. Use a hot glue gun to affix embellishments onto the bouquet holder and let dry. Enhance your finished artificial flower wedding bouquet with floral sprays, such as glitter or scented sprays if desired. 8. Finished. Tips. Store your bouquet in an airtight container, after it has completely dried, until your wedding day, so that it will stay clean and dust-free. Keep it in an airtight container after the ceremony to help preserve your wedding keepsake. Make an extra bouquet to use at rehearsal or for a bouquet toss. Create smaller versions of your bouquet for flower girls to carry. Things. Artificial flowers. Bouquet holder. Floral foam. Razor knife if floral foam will need to be cut. Floral pins. Greenery or other accents. Embellishments such as sequins, rhinestones or other items that will fit the wedding decorations or theme. Hot glue gun. Ribbons. Scissors. Floral spray, decorative or scented, optional.